Hey everyone, and welcome to Alpha Tech. Are you tired of the never-ending laundry saga? Introducing your new laundry ally, WASHWOW Do 1, here to revolutionize your cleaning routine. Say goodbye to detergent dilemmas. WASHWOW isn't your average cleaning gadget. It's a futuristic marvel that harnesses the power of water to clean your clothes without harsh chemicals. Coffee spills, wine stains, grease marks, WASHWOW conquers them all. Just soak your clothes and let WASHWOW do the rest. It's like magic for your laundry. But WASHWOW isn't limited to just laundry duty. It's a versatile multitasker. Use it to cleanse your fruits and veggies, ensuring they're free from harmful pesticides and ready to enjoy. Attention all parents and pet owners. WASHWOW is your secret weapon against germs. Keep pacifiers, chew toys, and other essentials clean and sanitized for your little ones and furry friends. Planning an adventure? Don't forget to bring WASHWOW along. Its compact size makes it the perfect travel companion, ensuring you have fresh, clean clothes wherever your journey takes you. And the best part, WASHWOW isn't just good for your laundry, it's also great for the environment. With its eco-friendly design and long-lasting battery, you'll save money and reduce your carbon footprint with every wash. And here's the cherry on top. WASHWOW's leftover water isn't wasted. Use it to clean your home, water your plants, or tackle any other household tasks. It's recycling at its finest. Curious about how it all works? WASHWOW uses innovative water science to break down dirt and stains, leaving your clothes fresh and clean without the need for harsh chemicals. Ready to upgrade your laundry game? Say hello to WASHWOW and experience cleaner clothes, happier homes, and a brighter future. Plus, for our viewers today, you can get 20% off when you purchase our laundry ball online. Just use the promo code ALPHATECH20. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to explore the world of WASHWOW and make laundry day a breeze. Until next time, happy washing.